Hey guys, Mac here with Pest Service. I got my buddy here, Joseph Slay, and I was just over here 2 hours ago, and I was talking to him about bees that were swarming, honeybees. And I said, man, I want to see that process. I want to know what it's all about. And he called me and said, I got a swarm of bees. And so Joseph is going to extract these bees and get them in a box, and I want to see it. So Joseph, you ready to do this?
Do it.
Come on, let's go. All right, Joseph's gonna go get suited up, and oh wow. Oh yeah, they're piled up in a big old ball. They're swarmed up. They're right underneath here. He's got this box right here. Hopefully they can get them into that box. Look at that. Oh my God. They're literally, I was over here 2 hours ago, and I said, man, I want to see this process, and I want to educate you guys. I want to be educated because honeybees are so critical to our ecosystem, to our agriculture. They're pollinators, and man, if bees are gone, man, they're going to be a shortage of food, fruits, vegetables, nuts, even coffee. And so, man, we got to learn how to take care of these things. And so, man, I'm super excited to see how, oh, he's getting, look at him. Now he's suited up right now. He's ready to go. Dude, this is awesome, man. He's got a bunch of these bee boxes around his house, and he'll even take them to places and try to get Tupelo honey, because right here we're in Panama City, Florida. Tupelo honey is very famous in this area, and what we're trying to do, we're trying to hurry and get this thing done, because you can see around me it's getting ready to storm. It is getting ready to come down. So when he called me, I was trying to get over here as quick as possible, but man, he's suited up. I'm not suited up, so I'm gonna try my best not to get stung, because I'm not in the mood to get stung by a honeybee today. But at least it's not a hornet's nest, that's for sure. They come up underneath this trailer right here. Joseph installs countertops, granite countertops. Matter of fact, he did mine at my house. Mine are quartz, did a fabulous job. But he also does honeybees. And also, he's our men's Bible study leader at our church. He does a fantastic job. Great friend, great man. I'm honored to know him. Dude, he's got the smoke and everything. Check this thing out. Look how they're up underneath that ball. Now, I don't know if this is a big swarm or a little swarm or average swarm. I don't know, but it just happened. We were just talking about it. I said, man, I wish I could see a swarm and see you get them in a box. And he said, I'll let you know. I didn't know it was going to be today. Okay, guys, I'm going to do my best to get all of this. Dude, this is crazy, man. We were just talking about this. Wow. Did the bees make those honeycombs in there? Yeah. Wow. Dude, there's smoke coming out of that, man. Look at that. think would be the best way to get up on this?
This one here. That might get agitated now.
Go. He's just swiping them in there with his hand. Dude, I got bees flying all over me. I ain't got stung yet. Look at that, look at that. Sorry, Joseph, I'm in your face, but I want to get this. This is so cool, bro. He just wiped them in there. Look at that. Look. You need that smoke?
No, it's right here.
And the queen was down in there?
Yep, she's in there.
Yeah, when we get done, I want you to just kind of explain the process of what happened.
We're done.
That's it? So this is their new home?
For right now it is. We'll move them to that pallet over there. For now, that's a new home. That's it.
You didn't even have to use the smoke?
No.
Wow. Like, what happened? Like, what was this swarm about? Like, what caused them to do that? And, or why did they do that? That's the main thing. It's like, what caused them to go right there and do what they did?
Bees are probably overcrowded in the bee box, in the original hive. Probably way too many bees in that small of a hive. So they, some of them had to leave. They made a new queen, the old queen, and half the bees left, and they went there. They felt safer there, so they went there to like find a better home.
So is that kind of like them just kind of splitting up and multiplying, like dividing up? That's cool, man.
That's it.
Wow. How long you been doing this?
My whole life. 35, 40 years.
Wow, that's cool. What's so crazy, we were just talking about this like 2 hours ago.
Yeah.
I mean, and then he texts me a picture and then says, hey, you want to come video this? I'm like, I'm on my way. I'll be there in about 20 minutes. And you can see we're trying to get this thing done before it storms. Well, you already heard some thunder, and it was a big flash of lightning. So we kind of did this right at the right time.
Yep. Yep.
And so what are you going to do with those? You're just going to put those over there by those other boxes?
Yep, on the pallet.
And that's all you do?
Yep.
Wow.
Then I can transport them.
Let me tell you something. It's always good to have a friend that has honey, because you get honey anytime you want. It's good to put in your coffee and your tea and just eat it straight. It's just really good for you. But one last question. Just how important are honeybees to our society, to our ecosystem?
Oh, they're very important. They, you gotta have honeybees for pollination. Without pollination, there's not enough crops to feed the world. They're extremely important.
So in other words, if we didn't have pollination, we'd have a shortage of food.
Yep.
Food prices are gonna go through the roof.
Yeah, mass starvation.
Mass starvation, chaos.
Yep.
So basically, life as we know it right now would pretty much collapse.
Yep.
So
give the honeybees a home.
Oh, that's awesome. Well, Joseph, thank you, man, for calling me. This is amazing. Hey, if you got any questions about honeybees, reach out to me. And if I don't know the answer, I'll get my man over here to provide me with an answer about honeybees. But hey, if you like this video, subscribe, share, like, comment. And we appreciate you watching. It's just kind of cool just to kind of see the process and see how it was done. I just didn't realize it was going to be that easy.
Yep. This one's easy.
I thought it was going to be some big process, and but no, you just raked them up in there. Now you can see they're just kind of they're flying around it a little bit, but it's kind of hard to see. Or what?
No, just pine straw.
Do what?
Just pine straw.
Pine straw. Okay, so basically you just put pine straw in there and you lit it on fire.
That's it.
Wow.
Calms the bees, makes them more manageable.
But you didn't even have to use the smoke.
Not this time.
Just so they can be a little bit more aggressive than this right here.
Oh yeah.
Hey, I can tell you, I was all around Joseph while he was messing with the bees, and I didn't get stung not one time. I was really surprised, but I was determined to get this video for you guys because I wanted to make sure y'all seen it up close and personal. But that's kind of cool, man. I didn't never realize that was just pine straw smoke.
Pine straw.
Oh, perfect. That is so cool. I love it, dude. Who knew? But oh, one last thing. Is this a medium swarm or a smaller swarm, or what do you say?
Medium.
Medium swarm. Okay. I love it, man. I love it. Hey guys, well anyway, thank you again. Thanks to Joseph. If you got any questions, reach out. God bless.